Hello, I'm Paulo Luis Texan, PSPA OM3A1. So we discussed the 10 topics we have. So first is what is business functions? Business functions are processes or operations that ensure the proper functioning of the organizations. In general, startup and small companies employ people who can perform several functions rather than hiring specialists. For example, a marketing professional employed by a small creative agency may be responsible for copywriting, content, marketing, and SEO. As the company grows, its manager will hire experts for each of this activity and set up several business departments. So, as a corporation, on the other hand, will have a specialized department for each area of activity, depending on the nature of its business. It may have a design department, a marketing department, a human resource department, a finance department, and so on. The specialists in each department are assigned specific job and tasks that fall under the area of expertise. The activity that generate income and drive enterprise value are referred to as core business functions. A maintenance and administrative tasks that are a part of this activity. Let's say you own a small real estate agency. In this case, your company core business function will include sales and marketing. The core functions meaning will differ from one organization to another. So next, what is business process? A business process is a series of steps performed by a group of stakeholders to achieve a concrete goals. Each step in a business process denotes a task that is assigned to a participant. It is a fundamental building block for the several related ideas such as a business process management and process automations. As example, let's consider the hiring process of a HR department. Right from posting the job opening on to onboarding the employee, there are multiple steps involved in the process. Although this can be vary from organization to organization, a simple workflow might look like this. Example: the HR executive post the job updates, and next is multiple candidates apply in a portal. Next is the HR executive screen that the candidates and filter the best fits. The selection candidates are called for the next stage of the recruitment. The right candidates is chosen for the last stage of recruitments. Salary and policy negotiations take place. The offer letter is sent and candidate accepts. So next is what is information system? Combining hardware, software, human power, and process, an information system refers to a network used to collect, store, process, analyze, and distribute data. Information system and professionals with advantage degree is information system can help businesses and other organizations improve their efficiency, maximize revenue, and streamline their operations. Many people think of information system as computer-based technology, while information system often incorporate computer to help manage data and achieve business object. They do not necessarily have to include computers. There are different type of information system that can be served a variety of purpose depending on an organization needs. Example, data warehouses, enterprise system, expert system, geographic information systems, and office automation systems. So next topic is IT versus IS or information technology based information system. Information system as an information system can be defined as set coordinated network of components which act together towards producing, distributing, or processing information. An information characteristic of computer-based information system, information is precision, which may not apply to other types. In any given organizations, information system can be classified based on the usage of the information. Therefore, the information system in business can be divided into operations support system and management support system. Then, ano naman yung IT? Every day, knowing or unknowingly, everyone is utilizing information technology. It has grown rapidly and covers many areas of our day-to-day life like movies, mobile phone, the internet, and etc. Information technology can be broadly defined as an integration of computer while the telecommunications equipment for storing, retrieving, manipulating, and storage of data. In other words, IT is a hardware like computer or mouse, keyboards like that. So next. So what is e-commerce? Electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and service or the transmitting of funds or data even an electronic network, primarily the internet. This business transaction occurred either the business to business B2B, business to customer B2C, customer to customer or customer to business. The terms e-commerce and e-business are often used interchangeably. The terms e-tails is also sometimes used in the reference to the transactional process that make up online retail shopping. So, how does e-commerce work nga ba? So, e-commerce is powered by the internet where customer can access as online store to browse through and place order for the products or service via their own devices. Like example is Lazada and Shopee and other networking site that you can buy your needs. Next is batch processing versus real-time processing. Ano ba nga yung pagkakaiba nila? So, real-time processing operating systems typically refers to the reaction to data. A system can be categorized as real-time if that can be guaranteed that the reaction will be within a tight real-world deadline. Usually, is a matter of seconds or milliseconds. One of the best example of real-time system are those used in the stock market. If a stock market quote should come from the network within 10 milliseconds of being placed, this would be considered a real-time process. Whether this was achieved by using a software and architectural that utilize stream processing or just processing in hardware irrelevant the guarantee of the deadline is what makes a real time. So other situation where using real time system would be a beneficial are like ATM, air traffic control, and anti-lock braking system in your. So what is batch processing naman? It's the process of large volume of data all at once. The data easily consists of millions of records per day and can be stored in a variety of ways like file records, etc. The jobs are typically completed seamlessly in non-stop sequence order. Uh, I we go to example of batch processing jobs. All the transaction financially firms submit over the course of week. Batch processing can be also used in mga example nito is a payroll process, line item invoice, supply chains and fulfillment, or yung mga delivery na kayang i-produce through man-made. Okay, next. So, we discuss the next topic we have. So, first is a descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics looks at the data statistically tell you what happened in the past. Descriptive analytics help a business understand how it's performed by providing context to help stakeholders interpret information And this can be a form of data visualized like graph, charts, reports, and dashboards. So next is what is diagnostic analytics? Takes descriptive data a step further and provides deeper analysis to answer the questions. Why did this happen? Often, diagnostic analysis is a refers to a root cause analysis. This includes using processes such as data discovery, data mining, or drill downs or drill thought. So next is what is predictive analytic? Predictive analytic takes historical data and feeds it into a machine learning model that consider key trends and patterns. The model is then applied to current data to predict what will happen next. So last is what is prescriptive analytics? Prescriptive analytics takes predictive data to the next level. Now that you have an idea of what will like happen in the future, what should you do? It suggests various causes of action and outline what the potential implication would be for each other. Para mas madali natin maintindihan, basta descriptive analytics tell you what happened in the past. There's no take analyst help you understand what something happened in the past. Predictive is what most likely happen in the future. Prescriptive analytics is recommend action you can take to affect those outcomes. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you learned something.